In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads and I'm signed in, I'm looking at the main inbox screen where all the emails are listed. This is the starting point where we'll adjust the appearance settings. Now I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the screen because that's where Gmail keeps the settings options. You'll see a small gear icon there, and that's the settings button. I'm going to click on that and a small settings panel opens up. From here we want the full settings page, so I'm going to click on see all settings. Once that page opens, you'll notice several tabs across the top for different Gmail options. What we're looking for is the tab called themes, because that's where Gmail lets you change the visual style and background colors. So I'm going to click on themes. Now that the theme section is open, you'll see an option that allows you to set or change the theme for Gmail. I'm going to click on set theme, and when I do that, a theme selection window appears. This window shows a gallery of different themes that you can apply to Gmail. At this point I'm just scrolling through the available options. Gmail offers a variety of themes here, including different colors and backgrounds. Since we're focusing on changing the background color, I'm going to choose one of the color themes from the list. As you move through the options, you can easily see which one you like best. I'm going to click on one of the color themes now. As soon as I select it, Gmail previews how that color will look in the interface. You'll see the background change right in the preview, which makes it easy to decide if that's the color you want to use. Once you've picked the color theme you like, the last thing we need to do is save it. Down in the theme window there's a save button, so I'm going to click save. As soon as I do that, Gmail applies the new theme to the entire inbox. Now the background color has changed and you can immediately see the difference. The email list, the sidebar and the overall interface now reflect the color theme we selected. Everything else about Gmail stays exactly the same, only the appearance changes. If you look around the inbox now, you'll notice the background color is consistent across the interface, which gives Gmail a slightly different look and feel. It's a simple way to personalize your inbox and make it more comfortable to use. So just to quickly go over what we did here on screen, we went to gmail.com, clicked the settings icon, selected see all settings, opened the theme section, clicked set theme, chose a color theme from the available options, and then clicked save to apply it. Once that's done, Gmail immediately updates the background color across the interface. You don't have to refresh anything or restart Gmail, the change happens right away. And that's really all there is to it. Changing the background color in Gmail only takes a few clicks using the theme settings. You just open the themes gallery, choose the color you want, save it, and Gmail updates the look of your inbox instantly. Now your Gmail interface has a new background color that makes the inbox feel a little more personalized and visually comfortable while you're checking your emails.